everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today in my video I do a set of long stiletto nails and I do them a bit fancy. I fancied something a bit different, a little bit outrageous. So yeah, so I created this look. There's a little close-up of those nails. Can you see them there? So I will show you what products I used in my video today. So here are the items that I used in my video today, guys. The brush that I applied my acrylic with was my Miss You Beauty brush. Then the powder that I used today is from Nails and it's called Blushing Bride. It is not my favourite powder. I wanted a nude powder so that you could really see the effects of these mylar pieces. It's iridescent. They are absolutely beautiful pieces. I absolutely love them to bits. These are the tips that I used as well as my camera and my light. They are from Pro Impressions and they are the Advanced Natural Smile tips. There was no blending. They are wellless, so there's no blending needed. I also used my Miss You Beauty liquid and powder to encapsulate my nails. So here are my nails, and if you would like to see me complete this look, then keep watching. So to begin with, I just apply my Miss You Beauty primer to my nail beds. And then on each of my nails I apply Blushing Bride, except for my ring finger where I just actually apply clear acrylic powder mixed in with my mylar pieces, but you couldn't really see the difference, but that's what I did on my ring finger anyway. And so with my clear acrylic liquid and powder, I encapsulate those nails. So after filing and buffing my nails with my JSDA nail file or e-file, I apply some chain that I received from Nails. I just cut it into different size pieces just so that I could apply it a bit easier to my nails, so I pre-cut it ready for the design. So the way that I applied it to my nail was I applied a little piece of acrylic liquid and powder, clear acrylic liquid and powder, and then I placed the chain inside, one end of the chain inside the acrylic powder, and then the other side, which you will see in a moment. So here I am just applying the acrylic here to the nail with my tweezers. I just apply the chain. The tweezers didn't work as well as what I was hoping in the end, so I did end up just using my nails, but you get the picture. And in the centre of this design I applied two AB crystals, and again I did this using some acrylic liquid and powder. And then on the rest of my nails with some nail glue I just applied some really small AB crystals that I got from Sally's, and I just do this to the other nails around the cuticle area, and I actually apply some of these crystals around the gems that I've already placed on my nails. So then the next thing that I do actually realise is that I applied the chain on my nail before I'd actually placed on my UV gel top coat, which was a big massive error on my part. So I had to shift the chain out of the way and apply my top coat in sections by sections and cured each section before I moved on to the next part of the nail. So that was a massive error on my part, I do apologise for that. But once I did that, I went on and applied top coat to the rest of my nails and cured them for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So here are my nails all finished. As you can see, I have my little chains hanging down there underneath my gems. So cute. I love them. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up as usual, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the items that I used in my video today will be linked in the description box for you below to check out, along with any discount codes. And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, hear what you thought of this design. If you have any suggestions or requests, feel free to leave me a message in the section below. If you have already submitted a request, I will get round to it, don't worry. I just did this design because I had something planned for the weekend, so hence why I went super fancy. So thank you so much again for watching my video. I really do appreciate all your love and all of your loyal support. So I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.